Hey there, my name is Aaron. This is student video number 6, I think, for calc. So here it is. So cylinder is shrinking it away. The radius is decreasing at 5 centimeters a second, and the height of the cylinder is decreasing at 2 centimeters a second. Find the rate, the volume. Cylinder is decreasing when the radius is equal to 12 centimeters and the height is 10 centimeters. So if it's a cylinder, the volume is going to be equal to pi r squared times the height. Okay, so because of that, right here, we look and we see, okay, so because we're looking for this right here, we are going to have radius is equal to 12 centimeters, height is equal to 10. Now, then the other stuff, I forget what it's called exactly, but it is going to be d of r over dt. So that is the decreasing radius up here. That is going to be at -5 because it is decreasing. And then the height, that is going to be d of h over d of t. That is decreasing at 2. So, oh, sorry, I didn't even realize it. That is equal to -2. So now we look at the formula that we're kind of supposed to have. So that is going to be like pi times, that is going to be 2 times the radius we're trying to find times, old radius. I'm just going to call it old radius and old height, times height. Okay, then that's going to be plus the radius squared plus the old radius, or old height, excuse me. And then, yeah, let me finish that out right there. Okay, so now you replace all these values in here. So it's going to be pi times 2, radius is equal to 12. Okay, that's -5 is that number right there. So -5 times height, which is 10. So, okay, now that's going to be plus, that's times, not plus. I was just looking and thinking there shouldn't be 2 pluses. So that is going to be plus the radius squared. Radius is once again equal to 12, so that's going to be 12 squared. And multiply that times the old height, which is -2. Okay, so that'll give you pi times -10 times 120. That is -120. Times 10 minus 1200. Okay, plus 12 squared is 144, times, that's going to be -288. So I'm just going to erase this plus now. -288, which is going to then move to pi times -1488. Oh, sorry, I'm just now seeing my hand was in the way, bad camera angle and everything. Okay, so that is going to be -1488 pi, and we're dealing with a 3-dimensional object right here, such as, volume of a cylinder, which is a 3-dimensional object, as I said. So that is going to be centimeters cubed per second. Okay, I'll let you see this real quick. Alrighty, thank you.